Drones can be fun to fly, and are perfect for aerial photography and for capturing some impressive video footage. But which one is best for you? In this video, we break down the top 5 drones on the market this year based on price versus performance, image quality, ease of use, and situations they'll be used in. We'll be taking a look at drones in every price range, so whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want a great value drone, or are looking for the absolute best of the best, we'll have an option for you. If you're interested in finding out which drone will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the DJI Mini 2, our pick for best mini drone, best beginner drone. Ultra light and easy to fly, with an affordable price tag, the DJI Mini 2 is perfect for beginners, but it's packed with enough features that more experienced drone pilots may like it as well. This mini drone has a high-capacity battery that will give you up to 31 minutes of flight time, and the powerful motors provide better speed and performance in windy conditions, so your footage will always be stable. You could shoot 4K video at 30 FPS and capture 12 megapixel stills through the 3-axis motorized gimbal-mounted camera. The camera quality is solid, although it's not the same quality as drones like the Mavic 3, which we'll talk about later. It is more than good enough for casual users, YouTubers, or beginners. For some interesting footage, the Mini 2's quick shot modes make aerial videography easier and a lot more fun. With just a few taps, you'll get some great looking effects that you'll be eager to share on social media. Rocket mode shoots the drone up while the camera is pointing down. Helix mode makes it fly upward and away gradually, spiraling around the subject. Boomerang and circle modes makes the Mini 2 fly around the subject in an oval or circular path, while droning mode is a selfie mode that flies back and upward, with the camera tracking you. With each of these modes, you can have the Mini 2 fly to a height between 40 and 120 feet. These modes make capturing amazing footage extremely easy to do, with little to no experience, which is perfect for beginners or first-time drone buyers. Mount your phone to the top of the controller and get up to 6 miles of HD video transmission, complete with anti-interference and DJI's video transmission technology that delivers better video quality over greater distances. If you're looking for a mini drone, are new to drone piloting, or just want a great, easy-to-use drone, the DJI Mini 2 is a perfect choice and a good place to get started. Next up, the Holy Stone HS720E, our pick for great drone for the money, best affordable drone. If you want to get the full drone experience without paying the full price you'd normally pay for a drone, the Holy Stone HS720E is going to be a great affordable drone for you. This foldable drone is easy to store, offers excellent portability, and when deployed transforms to 13.3 by 9.5 by 2.3 inches in size. The body and controller are made up of tough ABS plastic, and the motors are brushless and generate no friction, so they have much quieter operation, produce less heat, and provide better overall performance. The controller is powered by 2 AA batteries and is lightweight with a small screen that keeps you up to date on important operating data like distance, GPS information, and even battery voltage. It has a retractable cell phone holder on the top that lets you fly the drone using the controller or the app. For power, the drone uses a rechargeable battery that will give you about 31 minutes of flight time, and when in flight, the HS720E can reach a top speed of 35 miles per hour. The 4K camera has a 1 by 2.3 inch CMOS sensor that captures stills at 12 megapixels and video at 4K 30 frames per second for those looking for more solid-looking content. Intelligent shooting modes include the popular Droney for selfies, as well as circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang modes to help you get some interesting shots. You can also use 4K hyperlapse and wide-angle, 180-degree, and sphere panorama to create a breathtaking panoramic scene almost instantly, and the 4x zoom will let you get the close shot you want without having to fly in close proximity to your subject. Automated flight features include GPS auto-return, tap fly, point of interest, follow me, and optical flow positioning. Overall, the Holy Stone HS720E doesn't have the same camera or ease of use as the other drones on this list, like the DJI Mini 2 or DJI Air 2S, but it does have an affordable price tag, a compact design, and solid camera quality for the price. Perfect for someone on a tighter budget. Next up, the DJI Air 2S, our pick for best overall drone. If you want the best mix of camera quality, ease of use, price, and advanced features for a great overall user experience, the DJI Air 2S might just be the perfect drone for you. The Air 2S is a small, folding drone with a premium 1-inch sensor camera that's capable of capturing stunning detail, and a number of onboard safety features make it easy to fly. The Air 2S comes with everything you need to get started: the drone itself, a flight battery, remote control, and charger. Like a video game controller, the remote fits comfortably in your hand and has a clip at the top to hold your smartphone to view and control the camera settings. Both Android and iOS phones are supported, and Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C cables are all included to ensure compatibility with your particular device. The 2 joysticks on the controller and the DJI Fly app put you in complete control of the drone. Use the left stick to adjust yaw and altitude, and the right stick to move the drone forward, backward, left, or right. There's also a control wheel to adjust the camera tilt and a video photo selection button. The 1-inch sensor shoots 5.4K video at 30 frames per second and 4K video at 60 frames per second, and uses DJI's OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed at up to 7.5 miles of transmission distance. You'll enjoy about 30 minutes of flight time, and an emergency button is available that will set the drone to hover in place with a short press or automatically fly back to its starting position with a longer press. The DJI Air 2S is a compact, folding drone with a premium 1-inch sensor camera, 4K video, and a number of automated flight and safety features, making it an amazing overall experience to use and own. If you want one of the best overall drones on the market, this might just be the perfect product for you. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily, with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next up, the DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is simply a great overall drone I think a lot of people will like. When stowed, the Mavic 3 is pretty compact, making it easy to take with you. It deploys with longer arms that can accommodate slightly larger propellers, which results in smoother, quieter flight. The camera module houses a powerful dual camera system, made up of a 4x3-inch CMOS Hasselblad camera for spectacular cinematic detail. The 4x3-inch CMOS image sensor not only gives the Mavic 3 higher resolution and dynamic range, but also suppresses noise in low-light environments, so your low-light shots will be cleaner and free of grain. And with 12.8 stops of dynamic range, you'll get better detail in highlights and shadows for more professional level quality with more natural transitions between highlights and shadows, adding greater depth to your photos. The telephoto camera is equipped with a half-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 12-megapixel photos and gives you up to 28 times zoom. For video, the Mavic 3 can shoot 5.1K up to 50 frames per second, 4K video up to 120 frames per second, or 1080p all the way up to 200 frames per second. You'll get excellent image quality all around, including better noise handling, richer detail, greater dynamic range, and better control over depth of field. And video can be transmitted up to 15 kilometers away using DJI's OcuSync 3+. Thanks to the Mavic 3's extended 46-minute flight time, you'll have plenty of opportunity to get the shots you need. And you'll be protected by the Mavic 3's safety systems that include omnidirectional obstacle sensing that uses sensors to detect obstacles in any direction and avoid them, and an advanced return-to-home function recalls the drone back to its starting point, and can be activated manually or when signal loss is detected. If image quality is your #1 priority, the DJI Mavic 3 is the drone you want. You'll get the best of the best in a relatively small and portable package. Finally, the DJI FPV. If you're looking for the thrill of immersive flight while getting the most for your money, the DJI FPV combo will give you a white-knuckle, adrenaline-charged flight experience that will have you coming back for more. The FPV combo features sleek styling with red-tipped 3-blade propellers. The video game-style remote controller feels comfortable in your hand and lets you set altitude and yaw with the left stick and lateral moves with the right. And instead of a smartphone screen, you'll be wearing a headset to see the exciting view through the 4K camera lens. A digital low-latency connection feeds video at 810p, and for the perfect fit, each lens is adjustable, so you can tune eye spacing to match your vision. The headset is even roomy enough to accommodate glasses, too. In the normal and sport modes, the FPV reaches speeds up to 31 miles per hour, while GPS, visual, and obstacle detection sensors are enabled to keep the drone stable. If you lose track of the drone, there's a return-to-home function that sends it back to the launch point and lands automatically. Sport mode takes things up a notch, keeping some of the automatic flight aids active, but disables obstacle detection sensors and ups the maximum speed to 60 miles per hour. In manual mode, all of the automatic flight controls are disabled, so you have to continue to apply throttle and keep the drone moving to keep it in the air. You'll go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2 seconds, with a maximum speed of 87 miles per hour. While this feature can be a lot of fun, it calls for some solid flight experience before attempting. Flight time is a bit shorter than most camera drones, giving you about 20 minutes per charge. If you want a drone that will give you the most for your money and the thrill of a high-speed, first-person flight experience, the DJI FPV combo is going to be the best drone for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.